ranking every YC startup in the summer 25 batch based solely on idea. Next up, Cactus. Deploy AI models locally on smartphones. The fastest way to deploy mobile AI. Deploy AI models locally on smartphones in Flutter, React Native, and Kotlin multi-platform. When I first read this, breaking it down, I was like, why does someone need to deploy an AI model directly on a phone? Like, does this actually matter? And after doing some digging, the simple answer is yes. From a speed perspective, let's say you're using an AI writing app. The app is going to feel slightly slower than if you were using Cactus because you're sending that text to the cloud, then the AI creates a response and the cloud sends it back. You're not doing it directly on your mobile device in terms of the LLM is not deployed on your mobile device. So you're going to get much faster responses in any app that you are using if it is being powered by Cactus because the AI is running locally. But beyond just a speed perspective, think of it from a data perspective. Because you're using an LLM that's deployed directly on your device, your data is going to be private and it's always going to be fully on your device. So I could see these two value adds being super valuable to anyone who's building a mobile app. And of course, the third piece to this is if you're a dev and you're building with their platform, you're going to have cost savings because the LLM is deployed locally on the phone, reducing the load on your servers. So the classic save you time, save you money, and also provide security. This is actually like a really dope infrastructural idea for companies that are building apps. Like they actually cook with this. Cactus is an S-tier idea. The ability to deploy an LLM locally on a phone, reduce the load on the servers, but also protect user data in a much safer and more secure way because the data is locally on the LLM and it isn't going to some server. That's a huge value add in a world where mobile apps are being spun up so quickly with the use of platforms like Lovable and Bolt and all these other vibe coding apps. Being able to create a SDK layer on top of this that can just reduce costs, create speed, and be more secure for a large language model interaction with human data, it's super valuable. And make sure you're following because we're ranking every startup in the YC Summer 25 batch, even if it takes me the rest of the year.